This is a walkthrough of the Pure Data patch for degrees of granularity. So this main patch has a couple of extra sliders and delays here. They were there simply to tune this patch to the specifics of the space. This was set up in the gallery at Tempe Center for the Arts. And this gallery has really high ceilings, and these speakers were not equidistant from the pedestal, so their levels had to be adjusted so everything sounded balanced. First stop is the ultrasonic sensors. This is an array of 8 ultrasonic sensors that are mounted at the base of the pedestal, and when gallery patrons enter the space and they near the pedestal, these sensors detect the proximity and gives basically a description, a radial coordinates of where the person is in relation to the pedestal, which then dictates where they will hear the sound. So when patrons approach and they cross a specific threshold, here it's 100 centimeters, this patch is activated, and each sensor has a patch with a different speaker arrangement. There's 4 speakers in the atrium, about 2 stories up, and then 4 speakers right at the base of the pedestal, underneath the pedestal. So the sounds coming out of the pedestal speakers are pure. They have no effects, and they're of the porcelain crinkling. And then the upper speakers then have an expression that is with the effects. And so these patches, like I said, they're all the same except for this right here. It describes the pedestal speaker and the 2 atrium speakers that the sound will be routed through. And we have this randomization action here where it picks the sound and puts it through a different set of effects. So this is the bank of sounds. It's 30 tiny little clips between half a second and 2 seconds long of the porcelain crinkling against each other, and each of these banks are those exact same sounds in the same order, just with different effects. So when this patch is activated, what you hear is the pure sound at the pedestal right next to the person, and then the delayed sound is with the sound through effects up in the atrium. And you'll notice that it never repeats itself because it's pulling randomly from those 30 clips and reconstituting them into a sentence that is different each time.